So here we are in Nelson, Nevada. This is where we're having our workshop the day after WPPI, which will be Thursday, March 1st. And this is a photographer's playground. Come out and play with us Thursday, March 1st. We have incredible backdrops. You will be amazed at what you'll see here. So right now we're inside one of the barns here at Nelson, and I tell you again, like I just said, this is a photographer's paradise. There are props like old televisions, old chairs, desks, just a bunch of furniture. It's absolutely incredible. We'll be doing a bunch of different types of setups. We've got outdoor setups, indoor setups. It's just a total blast. So check this out, they even have crashed airplanes. I mean, the place is absolutely amazing. It is gonna be so much fun. They've got a couple different airplanes that were used as movie props in different models that are crashed, and you know, behind me, we even have all these incredible buses and all kinds of great vehicles that you can take pictures of. This is across the street from where we just were in those other buildings, but just amazing. So again, this place is absolutely incredible. We hope to see you out here March 1st with the Chopstick Guys. We are gonna have a fantastic time. Everybody hanging out, just taking the most epic pictures you've ever taken. Hope to see you there March 1st.